destinies are changed in a positive way or in a negative way. Destinies can be destroyed by your own brother, by your own parents, by your own people, the people around you. They can destroy your destiny. They can dismantle. Your destiny is very important, and that is what they deal with. And there are demons that specifically deal with your destiny. They don't care about your personality. They don't care about who you are. They don't care whether you are a pastor. They don't care whether you are a teacher. They don't care whether you are rich or whatever. But they only care when you are about to get into your destiny. When you are about to get where you can cruise, now you see Niko Sawa. That is when they come and ask you, where are you going? But when you are not pursuing towards your destiny, they will give you everything. They gave me power in Mungiki. They gave me authority. They gave me money. There is nothing I wanted I could not get. I was driving nice cars. I had a name. Even the president president mwenyewe moyo akisikia jina yangu will tremble, will sema huyo kijana nataka nini. I will call State House, I want to meet the president, and they afadhali wa council wengine niitwe niende nisikike ni nini kinataka. Bwana Yesu asifiwe sana. And most of the time when I try to come back, out of the 12 bullets ambazo nimepigwa kwa mwili, about 6 of them I tried to get out of Mungiki. When I try to get out of it, I will encounter a challenge that will stop me from getting out of it. Because what? The demons that controls, that fights your destiny, they will rise up and tell you, no, where are you going? You are ours. You are not going to preach the word of God. And when I tried to preach the word of God, I got saved. Hapa kwa James Maina Nganga, huyu matuta. That is where I got saved. When they are pursuing your destiny, they wait until you are getting into the destiny. They wait until you are about to be blessed. They wait until you are about to get where you are supposed to do. That is when they come and stop you. They will tell you, no, this man is not good for you. My point here is that they are forces that act against you. There are powers that are there to destroy you. There are powers that are there to make sure you don't succeed. You'll get married to a wife that is a destiny killer. You'll get married to a man that is a destiny killer. You'll get a man of God that you are under, who will destroy your destiny completely. This thing is not a plan, something for one particular person. This thing happens crossboard to everybody. A man of God can kill your destiny. Your own wife can kill your destiny. Your own husband can kill your destiny.